Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Jeep Liberty and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case your Jeep is overheating and cooling fan is not engaging. This video will apply to Jeep Liberties made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Okay, so both the radiator fan fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood next to the battery right here. To lift the cover, you will have two black tabs, one here and one here. You want to press each of them and lift up. And on the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. The fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number J19, which is a 60 amp fuse located right here in the middle of the fuse box. And just above it, this is the relay number K11, and this is the radiator fan control relay. Now the best way to test this relay is by using the multimeter, but if you don't have one, you can try to replace it with any of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay and replace it. In case both the fuse and relay are good, you'll have to do a bit more research and start looking towards the cooling fan itself, possible wiring issue, and always make sure to check the coolant levels. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.